Here's a beginner-friendly SQL project that you can work on and use for your data analytics portfolio to help you get hired. This project is all about analyzing e-commerce sales data. We're going to build our own tables in SQL, and then we're going to write SQL code to answer questions about revenue, product performance, and customer behavior. So when it comes to using guided projects in your portfolio, I really recommend using them as more of a guide. The intention is not for you to copy all of this code, paste it into your portfolio, and pretend you did a project. This is meant to be an example of what a practice project might look like and even give you an idea of what a data analyst might do on the job. So if you want access to all of the code for this project, follow Avistra on LinkedIn. That's where we'll be posting all of the project materials. All right, let's get into the project. So the first thing we're going to do here is set up our 3 tables: customers, orders, and order items. And for this project, I really don't want to download any software, so I'm just using Avistra's free online SQL compiler. Again, all of the code to create these tables is already posted on LinkedIn. Once you run this code, you can scroll down and see your schema. This is where you can see what tables you have and what columns are available in each table. So if I come back up to my code and I select all of the columns from my customers table and I run this code, I can see that table here in the output. So once you have your data, you've familiarized yourself with it, you've made sure it's clean, you're going to ask yourself some questions about the data, keeping in mind the context of the business. This is an e-commerce business. It's an online store. So we want to ask questions that help reveal some insight about this online store. So some questions that you might ask are: how many customers have placed orders? What is the total revenue? What are the top 3 most popular products? What is the average order value? And which customers have spent the most? Go ahead and save this video right now because we're going to write code to answer all of these questions in part 2. In the meantime, try answering these questions yourself. All of the material is posted on LinkedIn. You have everything you need to get started. Then come back and watch part 2 to see if you got the right answer.